Indonesia primary bank in no rush to hike prices as inflation hits 5-year high. Jakarta Indonesia's primary bank is in no rush to hike hobby prices, its governor said on Friday, at the same time as June purchaser costs rose at the fastest tempo in 5 years, topping forecasts and breaching its goal variety amid a surge in food expenditures. June's annual inflation price increased to 4.35%, the very best for the reason that June 2017 and above the 4.17% forecast in a ballot. Last month's figure was 3.55%. Bank Indonesia's buy goal variety is 2% to 4%. However, the annual middle inflation rate, which strips out government-controlled and volatile expenditures, changed into underneath marketplace expectancies at 2.63% in June. The ballot had forecast a 2.72% fee, while May's price turned into 2.58%. By Governor Perry Warjio stated the information set showed low core inflation and coffee inflation of presidency-controlled prices, due to massive subsidies retaining some electricity expenditures unchanged. Core inflation is notably low, so that it offers room for flexibility for us to not be in a hurry to elevate hobby prices, he told a parliamentary hearing, repeating a pledge to preserve hobby fees at document low until buy sees symptoms of essential price pressures. Buy, one of the international's least hawkish crucial banks, has stated it'd focus extra on the core inflation rate, as opposed to the headline to determine the pace of its post-pandemic coverage normalization. Data confirm the rise in inflation was primarily pushed with the aid of growing expenses of chili, shallots, eggs, and transportation tariffs. Margo Yuwono, head of Indonesia's data business, mentioned excessive global costs of wheat, sugar and soy had to this point had limited impact on domestic inflation. While flour and noodle makers had visible charges growing, they have no longer passed this on to consumers, he said. Bank Permata economist Yosua Pardidi stated any alternate in buy's coverage stance could possibly be pushed more by means of moves in the rupiah currency, which has been underneath stress on account that June because of capital outflows connected to the U.S. Federal Reserve monetary tightening. Commentary in the run-up to the July meeting could be scrutinized for signs of alternate in stance in light of narrowing USD rate differentials and below-pressure foreign money, DBS, economist Radhika Rao stated.